Hey guys, and in this video let's take a look at low light side-by-side comparison between the GoPro Hero 7 Black and GoPro Hero 8 Black. Alright, welcome back. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tomasz Nowacki and I make videos about GoPro and everything basically related to it. So if you want to learn more about GoPro, consider subscribing. Alright, so as I said, in this video we are going to compare the low light capabilities of GoPro Hero 8 Black and GoPro Hero 7 Black. So without further ado, let's take a look at the footage. Okay, so what do you think about the comparison? Do you think that Hero 8 Black or Hero 7 Black is better? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And what I personally think is that when it comes to sunset, the difference is, I think, the most visible, because Hero 8 Black offers a much warmer picture or image, and Hero 7 Black actually is a little bit more cooler. And what's more different is that okay, the night shots are basically the same, but if you take a closer look at the light source, I think there is like a small little era or this strange little fog that's around neons or another light source. Alright, hopefully this video was helpful for you and you learned something. And if this video has some value for you and you learned something from it, give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.